Prachi ma'am, you may start.
If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Prachi Malgukar and I, Vinitra Vijay, on behalf of our school head, Mr. Surjit Chatterjee and Balbhati Parivar, would like to extend a gracious welcome to our chief guest, Sri Asim Kumar Samanta, CEO, RGPPL Ratnagiri, Sri S. K. Bhattacharya, Chairman, BBPS Ratnagiri, Ms. Rekha Sharma, Secretary Manager, Managing Committee members, PTA members, parents, and all my dear students. On this special occasion of virtual investiture ceremony of the school, investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power, rights, and dignity. It is indeed rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Now I request Vinita Ma'am to take over the charge.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request our chief guest, Sri Asim Kumar Samanta sir, to click a button for virtual lamp lighting and to inaugurate the investiture ceremony.
Good afternoon. I think as ma'am, let me open this program and start it. Yeah, currently sharing. Hmm? Hmm. It is, yeah, yeah, that's the come.
Dance is a form of praising God. Students participate in to guide the Dance is a form of praising God. Let's glorify with Ganesh Vandana, a dance to praise and delight presence.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानभक्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुणवे गुरुदैत्यजनक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Lovely kids. Thank you, Nora, Anushree, and Abhimanyu. Now I would like to call upon our respected principal, Mr. Surajit Chatterjee, to address the audience. He is approachable, open-minded, and free, yet willing to make the tough calls. He is flexible and forward-thinking. Please, sir.
Sir, unmute. Sir.
Good afternoon to one and all present in this virtual platform
Good afternoon,
to
sir.
encourage the new leaders of tomorrow. I would first of all like to thank our chief guest of the function today, Sri Asim Kumar Samanta, Chief Executive Officer, RGPPL. Sir, for being a true leader and presenting yourself in front of these young budding leaders, I think it is a real achievement for them to be inducted in presence of you. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. I would also like to thank our guests of honor, Sri S.K. Bhattacharya, Chairman Balbharti Public School, RGPPL, a person who always inspires, motivates, and showcases the same through his life. And Ms. Rekha Sharma, Secretary Manager, a person of faith who believes in giving roots of responsibilities and wings of independence. A mind with full of inspiring fresh ideas, with creative thinking and strong conviction. With gratitude in my heart, I welcome you, ma'am. Mr. Bhattacharya sir is unable to join as he is not well. I also extend a warm welcome to the members of School Managing Committee, the Executive Committee members of the PTA, the ever-supporting parents, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear and adorable students. Children, though you are not physically present here in the school premises, yet I feel the warmth of enthusiasm of the day, and I can ever sense your heartbeats. Yes, this investiture is different and exciting. Different because it's virtual, and exciting as we move into the digital space to practice leadership skills. When most people find COVID period challenging, we are looking for opportunities to improvise our act. Children, you, the products of Balbharti Public School, RGPPL, are made of Turner staff. You are resilient, responsible, and ready to take up new challenges. You have the ability to turn challenging situations into opportunities, to learn new ways of working. You are now going to join the League of Leaders. My best wishes to you all, and I look forward for a great support from all of you. May God bless you all, and thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, with the consent of dignitaries, I would like to proceed with the virtual investiture ceremony. Leaders translate dreams into reality. Leaders transform vision into action. Leaders to leaders. Leaders to inspire. And leaders who make our school proud of. Here we have our leaders ready to wear their badges and sashes. Stepping forward, now the newly elected head boy of the school, Master Atharva Samsare, is a multifaceted personality. Atharva Samsare is a multifaceted personality who is a passionate learner with the potential of molding life into his aspirations. Thank you, ma'am. We wish him all the best and great success. Walking forward proudly is Miss Sanchali Balwan. Miss Sanchali Balwan to take over the new head girl, who believes that the success is sum of all efforts repeated day in, day out. I would like to request her parents to pin up the badge and such. Thank you, sir. We wish you a great success, Sanchali. Following the parade is the new sports captain, Master Spandan Bachchan. I would like to request his parents to pin up the badge and sashes. Master Spandan Bachchan. His pleasing personality impresses each individual who comes in contact with him. All the best, Spandan. Thank you, ma'am. Right. All the best, Spandan. Miss Rujuta Dikshit steps as the newly elected sports captain of the school. She possesses the rock-solid determination to excel in every walk of life. Her exceptional oratory skills have earned her the respect of everyone. We wish her a good luck. Thank you, ma'am. Stepping forward now is Master Numan Mahaldar. Master Numan Mahaldar as Cultural Secretary of the school. He is extremely enthusiastic and willing and self-motivated. We wish him a great success. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. All praise to lead Miss Swara Birje. Miss Swara Birje. Miss Swara Birje is the newly elected Cultural Secretary of the school. She is eloquent, energetic, and versatile in dealing with all kinds of people. Thank you, ma'am. We wish her a great success. Master Dhananjay Patil. Master Dhananjay Patil steps as the newly elected deputy head boy of the school. I request his parents to pin up the badge and sash. He is a good communicator and trustworthy. Thank you, sir. We wish him all the best. Walking forward now is Miss Srushti Velhar. Miss Srushti Velhar as Deputy Head Girl. She is encouraging, positive, and responsible. We wish her a great success. Thank you, sir. Now it's time to honor our house captains and vice captains. Here comes Godavari House Captain, Master Sahil Vaibhav Velhar and Miss Angelina Matthews. I would like to request parents to pin up the badge and sash. Sahil Velhar and Angelina Matthews. All the best, Sahil and Angelina.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Doctor.
I would like to request his parents to pin up the badge and sash. Thank you, sir. Godavari House Vice Captain. Thank you, sir. All the best, Anil.
Thank you, ma'am.
Godavari House Vice Captain. Godavari House Vice Captain. Jayavardhan Jadhav and Apurva Kaur. Jayavardhan Jadhav and Apurva Kaur. Both of them together. I request the parents to pin up the badge and sash. All the best, Jayavardhan. All the best, Apurva. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Krishna House Captains, Vedant Sawant and Arundhati Patil. Vedant Sawant and Arundhati Patil. Both of you together. I would like to request the parents to pin up the badge and sash. All the best, Vedant and Arundhati.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Krishna House Vice Captain, Vishwa Bhosle and Mansi Kukre. Vishwa Bhosle and Mansi Kukre. I would like to request the parents to pin up the bag and sash. Thank you, ma'am. All the best, Vishwa and Mansi. Thank you, sir. Savitri House Captain, Musha Gangrekar and Sayuri Lanjekar. Musha Gangrekar and Sayuri Lanjekar. I would like to request the parents to pin up the badge and sash. Thank you, ma'am. All the best, Musha and Sayuri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Savitri House Vice Captains, Atharva Desai and Sanskruti Hare. Atharva Desai and Sanskruti Hare. I would like to request the parents to pin up the sash and badge. All the best, Atharva and Sanskruti. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Vashishti House Captains. Vashishti House Captains, Parish Samsare and Vaishnavi Bhuvan. Parish Samsare and Vaishnavi Bhuvan. I would like to request the parents to pin up the badge and sash. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. All the best, Parish and Vaishnavi.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. Vashishti House Vice Captains, Vashishti House Vice Captains, Adityan Banish and Khushi Vilhar. I would like to request their parents to pin up the badge and sash. All the best, Adityan and Khushi. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request Vinita ma'am to take over the charge for class prefects.
Thank you, ma'am. Here comes the next segment of our event. And now it's time to honor our class prefects. Prefect of class 10, Master Pratham Chavan and Miss Namita Pawar. I request the parents to pick up the badge. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Prefect of class 9, Master Harshal Kumar Khale and Miss Tanvi Parthi. I would request the parents to pin up the badge. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Prefect of class 8, Master Neeraj Vijay and Miss Rahi Shinde. I request the parents to pin up the badge. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call the class prefect of 7th, Master Arnav Todkari and Miss Mahi Shah. I request the parents to pin up the badge. Thank you, ma'am. Prefect of class 6, Master Saksham Rakhanpal and Miss Nora Verghese. I would request the parents to clean up the badge. Thank you, ma'am. Prefect of class 5, Master Arush Kalgatkar and Miss Tirtha Chiplunkar. I would like to request the parents to clean up the badge. Thank you, ma'am. Prefect of class 4, Master Utkarsh Todankar and Miss Vidita Pandey. I request the parents to pin up the badge. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Class 3, Master Nihal Newell and Miss Ovi Padwal. I request the parents to pin up the badge. Thank you, sir. Prefect of class 2, Master Nived Gowde and Ms. Bhargavi Sharma. I request the parents to pin up the badge. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now let's step towards the last segment of the event. Dear students, you are called to be the leaders to lead and be a model to your fellow friends. On this glorious moment, in the presence of all gathered here, we have our young and energetic leaders ready to pledge their oath. Here we have newly appointed head girl Ms. Sanchari Barman to take the oath along with other council members.
We, the newly elected Student Council of Bharati Public School, do solemnly pledge in the presence of God and this assembly to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all, to uphold the integrity of our alma mater at all times. We humbly affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sanchali. Amazed us, we have such an inspiring personality, Sri Asim Kumar Samanta, Chief Executive Officer, RGBP Ratnagiri, who has battled against all odds and reached the pinnacle of success. Now I request him to share auspicious words to inspire our newly elected school council members.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
I think I'll speak in standing mode only.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Paramadaraniya leaders and leaders of leaders. Paramadaraniya leaders and leaders of leaders. Mananiya Rekha ma'am, Mananiya Surajit sir, and all other ma'ams, parents, and beloved young leaders, young buddies, young children of millennium. My heart fills with joy today, having connected with you after, this is my 10th month here. And I am connected with you through a virtual platform, living a real platform. So this is a virtual reality we are embracing. This is a compelling situation. This is an evolving situation. This is an emerging situation. Leaders shows the way. Leaders inspires. Leaders shows the path. And last 1.5 years, if I look back, it was a new emerging situation where all of you have demonstrated as your leaders. It is not that only today those who are getting coronated, enshrined with a new responsibility, new identification. But last 7-8 months and last 1.5 years, the way you have combated, I really salute to your integrity, your sense of responsibility, sense of duty to overcome and combat and to serve the society at large. And enjoyed the time, enjoyed the difficulties, enjoyed the challenges which you have come across, being in the house, entangled in the four walls or very small gardens or walking streets nearby your house. So my great respect goes to all the young children in particular, because you are yet to see the whole world. You are yet to face the new situations which is still unknown to all of us. We might be thinking that this is the greatest thing we have done, but probably the future is very uncertain. And I am confident whatever you have demonstrated last 1.5 years, and you have come across, you have experienced innovative style of living, innovative style of learning, innovative style of enjoying with your family. This will make a big way for future days to come. I'm really privileged that I was thinking that I will have a connect with you in person, because as you welcome today, as you taken place, as you worshipped Lord Ganesh at the beginning of your program, I was remembering 3 things. One is value, virtue and victory. Value, virtue and victory. So with value, we have imbibed, we have demonstrated ourselves, not fittest, but strongest. Not fittest, but strongest. So with this, we have become victorious. All of us has become victorious. That is the great learning and great composer we have demonstrated amongst all of us and created a new horizon for future days. Today's ceremony in particular, when I was thinking of that this investiture ceremony, all your leaders, but some of you have been chosen as the leaders of leaders. This is reminding me that from your academic arena, cultural arena, your responsibility is going beyond that. When we are aware that rights and duty goes together, our rights that we are inhaling oxygen, giving back carbon dioxide. So this is our right to live, right to education, right to. Similarly, our duty is much bigger domain, which is nothing but responsibility, this single word. And I am confident the way the ma'ams, the parents, today they are connected, they are inspiring their children in this endemic situation. I am confident that any new challenges coming in will be handled and taken care by all children of this Bal Bharti, not only these leaders who have been coronated today. You might be feeling very joy out of this, that today you have been coronated, but I say all you have been coronated today, that you are recognized in this Bal Bharti fraternity, in human fraternity, that Balu Bharti will emerge as a powerful source of leaders who will lead the way, who will source the path, who will inspire all others, who will be beside all of us. I think that is the great takeaway for today's program, and I am very fortunate that to remember also one word from Bhagavad Gita, that is chapter 13, which 13.8 speaks, there are 20 qualities of a leaders. The first and foremost thing is humbleness, which has come from humus, human, and then humbleness. So I am confident this humbleness out of 20 qualities is the first one, which was spoken by Lord Krishna to Arjuna when Arjuna was bewildered in the land of religion, land of victory, where he has to fight with Kauravas, as a responsibility, as a duty, not to harm others, not to harm anybody, but for the larger interest, to make an example, to set an example for the others. So this is the one which is coming in my mind to tell you, all of you, that our humbleness will go with not only the animates, but also inanimates. Animates including biodiversity, and also inanimates, which is nothing but given by the ultimate source of energy, that is sun god. Sun is the source of every energy. We have created today sub-energy, which will explore a new way. But that has all come from the sun god. So I pray to sun god and this Mother Earth today in particular, such that that energy will evolve in and around us to demonstrate as a future leader, not only in academics, but in our combating future lives. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be with you. But I'll love to see that we meet physically with our own aura, which will really emerge like sun gives its aura. We see around the sun, which is called Boloy. We call it Boloy. That aura has to come, and that cannot come through virtual platform. This can come reality, which probably has been shared by today parents. Otherwise, myself or principal would have been the person to coronate with that honors. But at least today, I am happy that parents has coronated themselves in their houses. and many of them I could see, and many of them we could not see because of technology limitation. But by and large, I can say that value is our foundation, technology is our future. Thank you very much. Now I can take seat.
Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable and inspiring words. And definitely, our leaders will follow the path of humbleness. Thank you, sir. Now, the next part, I would like to hand over to Ms. Prachi, ma'am. Please, Prachi.
Thank you, ma'am. It is well-known proverb that action speaks louder than the words. With leaders like Ms. Rekha Sharma ma'am, the proverb seems to do justice. She inspires us every day with her work. Now, I would like to request ma'am to guide our students, council members with her valuable words. Ma'am, please.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Samantha, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Surjit. Good afternoon, teachers and my dear children. It is said that if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. At the beginning, I heard the MC saying that leaders are not born but made. I will disagree slightly, saying that the leader, when he is born, has that seed in him. It just has to be nurtured and honed. And we at Bal Bharti believe in catching them young. Leadership is a word that brings with it so much responsibility that sometimes we buckle under it. But however, when we catch these young, bright children who have been invested today, believe me, despite the pandemic, despite the situation around the world, which is not very happy, they are harbingers of hope. We are looking at them to make this a better world. We have failed. Let us admit it. As seniors, we have failed. But one thing that we can do is we can learn from our mistakes and ensure that these children understand the values that we somehow have not been able to uphold. I'm saying this at the cost of sounding a little negative, but that's not the point. The situation in the world, as Sir said, whether biologically or whether physically or whether morally, would not have been so if we and our leaders had led the path properly. But however, hope lies in the human breast, and these bright young sparks whom we have chosen today are going to make things better, I am so sure. So children, clap for yourself. Please remember, there are 3 or 4 qualities that you should always adhere to. The most important being empathy. Now, empathy, please understand, is very different from sympathy. It's very easy for us to sympathize with people. Oh, bichara. It is very difficult to empathize, because when you empathize, you put yourself along with that person. So you have to empathize with everybody. You have to be confident. You have to be confident that I've been given a responsibility and I shall do my best. And if you do your best, what can stop the best to happen? But please remember also, you have to communicate this to the other students. Till yesterday, they were your friends, they were your classmates. Today they still are, but there is that little difference. Today, you may have to correct them. You may have to well, take certain steps which they will not be happy. How is my friend doing this? But that thin line between responsibility, duty, and your ability to communicate this to your other peers and friends is what will hold you in good stead. And please remember, more importantly, sir also spoke about we are all talking about our rights. Are we aware of our duties? So, accountability is another very important aspect of leadership. You have to be accountable first and foremost to yourself, then to your friends, and then ultimately to the school. So please remember, children, today when you take on that sash and that badge, you may be feeling very proud, but please remember it carries a lot of responsibilities. We are looking at all of you to ensure the best for the school in every aspect, and also to ensure that the children whom you're leading right now of the school look up to you. And why will they look up to you? Unless you're the best. I'll give you a very small example. You will be asked to check children who are not in complete uniform. Therefore, you have to ensure that you're in complete uniform yourself. You have to check children who are missing their class, which means nobody should be able to point a finger at you. In Shakespeare, there's a saying which says, Caesar's wife has to be above suspicion. So please remember, every step now of yours has to be a calculated one to ensure that nobody can stand up and say, but you were doing this during recess. How can you ask me not to do it? And then your teachers, they are your guides, but you're also their eyes. So if anything is happening in the school which is not right, which is not proper, it is your duty to ensure. Maybe you cannot sort it out yourself, but then you take it to your teachers and ensure that at all times the discipline, the general environment of the school is always good. Believe me, I was at Ratnagiri very recently, and to enter a school without children is a horrible feeling. It's a horrible feeling because there's no life. You see, everything was there, but my children were not there. And that was not a nice feeling. So, children, I'm not going to speak too long. I wish you the very best. I congratulate you on this role that you've been chosen to do. Please fulfill all your duties. Please remember one thing. All during your life, you will achieve a lot of things. You will do a lot of things. There are two things that you will always be asked. One, the name, it used to be the name of the father. I'm glad it is the name of the mother as well now. Always, and the school you passed out from. So remember, these two things are the most important things in your life when you write your resume. So make both proud. And the parents also, I congratulate you. You're blessed. You have these children. They have so much potential. I'm sure the school will hone it and they will rise to the occasion whenever there is something to be done. So congratulations once again and thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for guiding our student council members with an example and encouraging them to be empathetic, confident, good communicators, and responsible. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks is a word. It makes happy both giver and the receiver. It is our duty to thank you all for your presence to this great event. I call upon Vidika ma'am to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Prachita. It is not happiness that makes us grateful, but gratefulness that makes us happy. A delightful afternoon to one and all present here. I, Nita, get honor and privilege to deliver the words of gratitude on the behalf of the entire family of BPPS Ratnagiri. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience and precious time. We are extremely glad to have you all here today to celebrate the success. Furthermore, we appreciate valuable time and patience you have shown today. Additionally, I would like to thank our guest, Sri Asim Kumar Samanta, Chief Executive Officer, RGPK Ratnagiri, Sri S.K. Bhattacharya, Chairman, BBPS Ratnagiri, Ms. Rekha Sharma, Secretary Manager, Managing Committee members, PTA members, and parents for giving you valuable time to sparkle our event. Coming to the end of the event, on behalf of my team, I wish you every happiness, success, and peace. Success always comes when preparation meets opportunity. Our young leaders have taken up their opportunity to do small things in a great way from today. We wish them all success. Now we shall rise for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा उत्तर गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जल की तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता
Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to all.
So now I can exit.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.